I'm Leslie, and I'm on Royal Caribbean's Ultimate World Cruise. We are cruising the world over 9 months, and I'm documenting all of it right here on Point Your Soul North. If you recall, I had a top 5 list of the places I was most excited to see when we left for this incredible journey on December 10th, 2023. Will Ho Chi Minh City deliver? For Vietnam? We only have 2 stops in Vietnam, so Ho Chi Minh City needs to bring it. We said a sweet goodbye to Nha Trang. Did it fulfill everything I was hoping it would? No. I don't know what I was expecting from Vietnam, but it was a sweet little city, and we saw the beautiful tower, we saw the beautiful pagoda. So next up, Ho Chi Minh City. And we don't have a lot of time here. This is a short port stop, and it's about 90 minutes to get from the port to Ho Chi Minh. So we've got to book it in Ho Chi Minh, but we're super excited to see it, see what it has to bring. Let's go see what Ho Chi Minh City has for us here in Vietnam. We take a Royal Caribbean shuttle, which the intention here is to just get us from the cruise port to Ho Chi Minh City. We've got a 90-minute bus ride. We've got a short window here in Ho Chi Minh. So when we get to the financial center in the city, we're going to book it around, see all that we can possibly see. We only have about 3 hours here. And so, yeah, let's do it. We have a tour guide on the bus kind of telling us a little bit about the city and the history of Ho Chi Minh. And I just loved the way he said Ho Chi Minh City. So I just got to show you this. It just made me laugh every time he said it.
Downtown, the central, right at the city. Ho Chi Minh City, that's bigger.
And as you can imagine, in a 180-minute round trip bus ride, I was giggling the whole way.
The city. Ho Chi Minh City, that's bigger. And
Ho Chi Minh City blew me away. I was not expecting to see this huge metropolitan city. So we get to the financial center. Our plan is that we're going to walk. We're going to see the city. We need to eat some lunch. We want to go to the War Remnant Museum and check out the market. So we go for a beautiful lunch. Mine was great. Roy hated his, but mine was but it was in a beautiful hotel, beautiful lunch, china plates. It was crazy. And so it took a little longer than we had time for and that we anticipated. So when we got out, headed towards the War Remnant Museum, we start realizing we're not going to have enough time to go that way. So we decide we're going to head directly for the market. There was 2 markets there. One was really cool, very like produce and just local things the locals would be purchasing. And then the tourist market. So we hit both of those, loved both of them. the greatest Vietnamese restaurant in Phoenix, Arizona. And they have Vietnamese coffee, of course, there. And I dream of it. It is so good. And I knew in Vietnam I wanted to be sure to get Vietnamese coffee. And I got it here in Ho Chi Minh City. Oh, 7. It was good. To be honest, the one at home, maybe because I'm just used to it, was better, I think. I'm not sure maybe how it's supposed to taste, because that's obviously the only one I knew in Arizona. Both good. The one in Arizona is just, it's going to welcome me home. Let's just say that. I'm going to head straight there when I get home. We purchased a few things in the market. We buzzed through, checked it all out. Really enjoyed our time in Ho Chi Minh. We just didn't have enough of it. So we were so bummed that it was such a short, poor time.
Tallest building in there, most of the building we just using for walking.
We raced back to the shuttle bus and got us back to the cruise port. We definitely felt like we missed Vietnam and all that Vietnam had to offer. But again, another beautiful reason to come back. We'll see Ho Chi Minh City again, and we'll see the true Vietnam the way I had envisioned it to be. So okay, it is Vietnamese snack day. We went to Nha Trang and Ho Chi Minh City, and we got 3 snacks to try. So one is chocolate covered somethings, or a little like bowl to dip chocolates in. One is a little wafery thing, and one is called banana bread, and it's shaped like a banana. Okay, so first up, Yam Yam chocolate flavored sticks. So inside is chocolate on one side and sticks on the other. Looks like a little breadstick. Oh, and it says black squid ink. What does yours say?
Mole in a hole. Mole in a hole.
Mine says squid black ink. All right, wait a second.
It's in English.
Octopus lucky number 8. Beware of lies.
It's pretty good though.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Does it taste like bread?
Tastes like those other things that not chocolate, but what's that other thing you get on a stick that has chocolatey that you always get?
The Nutellas?
Nutella.
Pretzels?
Yeah, it's like that's what it is.
Yeah, it's kind of a little sugar cookie kind of
The pretzel
biscuity thing.
Yeah.
And some chocolate sauce to dip it in.
Oh, one more.
Okay, oh, good one.
It's actually nothing.
And they have little messages on them. That's good.
Yeah.
Alright, that's a keeper. Next up, the body wafers. Vietnam gonna bring it with their snacks.
This can't be bad.
No, but it's got like what looks like cheese in the middle.
This can't be bad. It'll be okay. Yeah, it's not worth any calories though. Just a waste. It's okay.
What's
okay.
in the middle of it?
I don't know.
Kind of supposed to be, I think, a cream thing, but it's orange
Yeah.
and
It's not worth it.
no,
I'll have another.
they're not horrible, but they're not great.
I'll have another octopus lucky number 8.
All right, we're going in for the banana bread that's shaped like a banana. This smells like bananas. Wait for it. There's something on the inside. All right, so we're 1 for 3 in Vietnam.
Another yin yam.
Okay.
Very good.
Thank you, Vietnam. We like your cookie chocolate things. If you liked the video today, be sure to give me a thumbs up. If you've been to Vietnam, I would love your comments. So put them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe because next up is Singapore. My uncle lived in Singapore and I so wanted to go to Singapore when he lived there and visit, and I didn't get a chance. It is so far to get there from Arizona, so it just never was on the radar. And we are there. We're going to explore every single bit of Singapore. So excited for Singapore. So don't forget to subscribe so you're notified of when I post the Singapore video. And as always, thank you so much for being here, part of this incredible journey. And until we get to Singapore, bye for now.